Yeah, I was just this is a Holley Street Demon model 1901 625 CFM four-barrel carburetor on a 350 cubic inch small block Chevy with a 3/4 inch racing cam on it. I didn't put the racing cam on in there. I bought it that way, but it has changed my vacuum adjustments. And I've been trying to get this Street Demon tuned in, and I've seen guys on YouTube where they say turn them all the way until they bottom out, open them up 2.5 turns, and then work from there. And then I've seen guys say turn them all the way until they bottom out and open them up 1.5 turns and work from there. And I'm not saying that doesn't work for them. It probably does, but what I found is what worked for me, and I'm just sharing this, is I turn them in all the way like the factory says, turn them all the way until they bottom out and open them up 2 full turns. At that, I get a little less than 15 inches of vacuum. And then I started turning them in like the factory manual says, 1/8 turn at a time. And the best I was able to get on my vacuum was about a little over 15, and I worked on it hours and hours. That's about the best I was ever able to get, a little over 15 inches of vacuum. But anyway, it runs nice. 15 inches is more than enough to run my brake booster and the other things on the car. So I'm not an expert. I just thought I'd share my experience.